Why is this pit in the desert of Yemen called the prison of the devil, and what is hidden inside it? Some locations captured by Google Earth reveal eerie and unexplored mysteries, offering glimpses of history, war, and natural wonders that have rarely been seen before. From an American drone strike in Iraq to Israeli bombings in Gaza, today we will explore 10 such remarkable locations recorded on Google Earth. Number 1. The mysterious Qasr Dara of Algeria. Our first stop takes us deep into the Sahara Desert in Algeria, where a peculiar round structure stands alone amid endless dunes. This enigmatic structure, known as Qasr Dara, remains a mystery even today. Located in Timitown, reaching it requires significant effort due to its remote location. Spanning a 35-meter radius with walls reaching 2 meters in height, historians are uncertain whether it was a fort, a house, or a guest house for weary travelers. The structure has dual walls, the outer one made of stone and mud, while the inner wall is solely of mud. Inside, the remains of rooms and small air vents are visible, suggesting that it may have been a resting place for travelers crossing the Sahara on camelback thousands of years ago. Number 2. The Well of Barhout, Yemen's prison of the devil. Next, we travel to the deserts of Yemen, where a terrifying 30-meter-wide pit, locally known as the Prison of Satan or the Well of Hell, has intrigued and frightened generations. Officially called the Well of Barhout, this mysterious chasm emits a foul odor, deterring locals from approaching. Until recently, no one knew what lay inside, but adventurous cave explorers who descended 100 feet into the pit discovered a surreal world of snakes, decomposing animals, and cave pearls formed by thousands of years of water dripping inside. The people of Yemen consider this place cursed and prefer not to speak of it. Number 3. American drone strike captured in Iraq. In the Iraqi city of Mosul, a haunting image from 2017 reveals the grim reality of war. A satellite image from January 19, 2017 shows an MQ-9 Reaper drone flying above the Pigeon River. Just 5 days later, a new satellite image taken on January 24th confirms the drone's deadly mission. 2 fresh craters appear at the exact location, indicating an airstrike. A boat can be seen near the riverbank with people standing close by, while a car is parked at a distance. The previous image from January 5, 2017 shows no signs of destruction, making it clear that the attack happened between these dates. Number 4. The mysterious island of Eritrea. Moving on, we arrive at a peculiar island in Eritrea, located in the Red Sea. This tiny island, just 500 meters by 300 meters, appears dotted with thousands of strange spots in satellite images. Unlike other islands in the region which appear untouched, these markings raise many questions. After extensive research, it turns out that these are nesting sites of turtles. The Red Sea is home to 5 species of turtles, which come ashore to lay eggs in dugout burrows. Since this island has remained free from human activity, it has become a safe haven for turtles to reproduce without disturbance. Number 5. The Noor Solar Power Plant in Morocco. In central Morocco, an engineering marvel is visible from space. The Noor Solar Power Station. Spread over 4,500 acres, this massive solar power plant uses thousands of mirrors to reflect sunlight onto a central tower filled with molten salt. The heat generates steam, driving turbines to produce electricity. This facility is the largest of its kind, standing as a testament to renewable energy advancements. Satellite images from 2001 show nothing but barren land here, while by 2010, the plant had started taking shape, transforming into a high-tech power source. Number 6. Osama bin Laden's compound before and after the raid. A chilling satellite image from May 2, 2011 captures the site of the infamous U.S. raid on Osama bin Laden's hideout in Abbottabad, Pakistan. Before the raid, images show a well-structured compound with multiple buildings. However, after the successful operation, the compound was swiftly demolished. Today, satellite images show that while new houses have emerged in the area, the exact site of the compound remains vacant, preserving a silent reminder of history. Number 7. The floating gold mining deck in the Congo. In 2017, a mysterious floating structure was spotted along the Congo River in Africa. When zoomed in, it became apparent that this was an illegal gold mining deck. Gold-rich sediment is extracted from the riverbed and processed in these floating facilities. However, due to strict regulations, miners constantly relocate these decks to evade authorities. Number 8. Israel's bombardment of Gaza, recorded in satellite images. Tragic evidence of the Israel-Gaza conflict is also captured in satellite images. A photo from October 19, 2023, shows a populated neighborhood in northern Gaza. However, just 1 month later, an image from November 24, 2023, reveals utter devastation. What was once a residential area is now reduced to rubble. Number 9. Los Angeles wildfires in January 2025. An unsettling satellite image from January 11, 2025, shows vast plumes of smoke over Los Angeles. These are not clouds, but smoke from a wildfire that raged for 25 days, leaving behind a trail of destruction. The latest satellite images still await updates, but the scale of devastation remains evident. Number 10. Soviet-era bunkers in the Bering Sea. Finally, we travel to a remote island in Russian territory within the Bering Sea. This uninhabited island is thousands of kilometers from civilization, yet 6 strange square structures are visible on satellite images. These structures, dug into the ground, resemble bunkers from the World War II era. Facing the American state of Alaska, these relics likely served as strategic lookout points for Soviet forces monitoring U.S. naval movements. These incredible locations reveal the power of satellite imagery in uncovering hidden mysteries, historical events, and natural wonders. If you enjoyed this exploration into the secrets of Google Earth, let us know in the comments.